Back.
We're going to remove the escape key. So take your tool, spudger, toothpick, paperclip, whatever you're using. Just put it up underneath the front edge there. And then you're going to take your finger. You're going to hold the top edge. And you're just going to come back until it snaps right off like that. Then to remove your escape key plastic hinge, take whatever tool you're using, stick it just on top of the rubber cup, and then start edging back like that. And that front part comes off, and you should be able to just, once that part's off, then you should just be able to remove it. Just take it out with your finger. Now get your replacement plastic hinge. And you'll notice on this little plastic hinge, you've got a continuous piece of plastic here on the top, and then it looks how it's separate on the bottom. You've got little cracks right there, little cuts. The cuts go on the bottom, and the continuous piece goes on the top. So just take your piece and drop it over the rubber cup like that. Then take your finger and push down until it snaps. There we go. Now it's nice and flat. Now take your replacement escape key and just put that right on the top like that. And then push down until you hear several snaps. And now your escape key has been installed.
Back.
Keys.com.